Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm gonna talk about the trade I made during during when I was preparing the bootcamp. And yeah, there was some logics, and I was telling you the theory, and I apply that, and I enter into the day trade. That's for sure. And I'm gonna show you some examples. I'm gonna show you not examples. I'm gonna show you the one example, the trade I took, and the trade was successful. That's why I want to share, and it's gonna be part of the bootcamp. And we're gonna talk the reasons why I entered the trade, and I'm gonna show you the whole thinking process so you get an idea. So now let's get into the charts. So yeah, basically that's the trade, and as you can see, it's 1 to 8 risk reward, a little bit more just to cover the commissions and everything. But basically I targeted everything I told you in the previous video. I targeted the lows here, you see, I targeted the lows here, and I target the lows here. You can go like that, zoom out a little bit, and you see the lows here. Okay, I'm gonna move like that. Yep, the lows here, you see, and the trade was fucking amazing. And now I'm gonna try to explain for you the whole logic of how I entered the trade, why I entered the trade, and it's important. So I hope you remember this part. Yeah, this is from 1 hour, our supply zone. What does it mean? It means that sellers getting into the market, and then we can see some pressure, that's for sure. And yeah, there was one touch point right here, but I was waiting and it was night, so I'm not entering. After that, let me zoom in a little bit. After that, I saw that this liquidity was taken out, the early sellers was taken out, and the supply zone from the 5-minute time frame was formed. Look at this. After that, the price was going down, 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 down. I made an alert. It was above here, I think. And yeah, after that I was trying to look for entry positions at my place, at my entry point, and of course the stop losses. What I waited was confirmations, and as you can see on the 5-minute candle, it looks something like this. My entry point is basically in the middle of the 5-minute candle. So we're going further, we're going here, and we're getting there. So it's 1 minute chart, and look at this. We are in the big picture of 1 hour supply zone, and after that 5-minute supply zone. And here the price started to consolidate, rejecting it. It's getting all the time down. And yeah, it was the first time. No, maybe some fake outs, maybe something like that. And after that it was this week, and the price started doing it again. The huge amount of money was pushed here on the Bitcoin, and it started crashing again. I entered after this candle. You see the huge candle down, I entered the trade. My stop loss was here, and basically I left the trade. I put my notifications, and the first notification was here on the low point. Yeah, we can go to the 5-minute, okay, 15-minute time frame. You're gonna see it better. You see the lowest points here. I took it, I closed the trade. It was about 2k profit, something like that. Fucking amazing, yeah? Just for the partial exit I took, you see, 1 to 4 risk reward. So if I'm risking 1000 with this trade, and I'm closing 50% of my volume, and I have 1 to 4 risk reward, I have 2k in profit. That's it. After that, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I put my stop loss here. You see the line, you can, I think you can see the notification, and I left my take profit here just to run, you know. If the price goes back, still I'm going home with the 2k. If the price goes to the full take profit, which it did, I get an extra 4k. So overall, with this trade, because of you, thank you for that, I made 6k profit. Simple as that, simple information. Supply demand zone, attention from the market, the volume, the confirmation, and I have my entry point from the lower time frame. You need some experience to do that. Do not work on 1 minute time frame because it's hard. And of course, the stop loss, the logical stop loss. I was able to make my stop loss maybe above here, but then my risk reward ratio is changing a little bit. Look, it's now 1 to 5, and if you go like that, it's 1 to 8. You see the difference? It's small difference, but it gives all of the money you missing. You see, guys? And the trade was fucking amazing. It was a little bit of the retest here, consolidation here, and basically after that just bam 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 red candles, and during the night I have my day profit. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I appreciate, and because of you I took this trade, and why not, you know, it's a good analysis, it's a good day trade, and I put it there, I went there, and it went fucking amazing. So yeah, guys, learn this stuff, you're gonna make fucking money, that's for sure. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode.